Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you our innovation product that have been developed to help students to better understand in their lesson, especially in chemistry subject. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself and my team members. My name is Nurhanis Atira binti Fazil and my team members are Syairah Muhammad Hatim, Dr. Syamsul Jamil Ilyas, Zalika Zulkifli, Azizul Muhammad Ali. The focus of my presentation is chemistry education, rate of reaction via eLearning mobile application. This presentation consists of objective, introduction or motivation, methodology, user interface, result and conclusion also referred. For objective, this study addresses the needs of mobile application in learning environment. To development a mobile apps for learning chemistry using multimedia elements. It will consider the case study for a local secondary school in Malaysia. 32 secondary school students from Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Agama Kedah, Alor-Star Kedah, Malaysia who takes the chemistry subject in school. The Robook mobile apps is developed to help these students to understand the theory of rate of reaction in chemistry subject. For introduction or motivation, learning medium for students in schools are very crucial as it will capture the student interest, thus make them understand about the topic. However, most of the time, students in school are learning in the traditional method where all notes are obtained from textbook provided for them. This situation will affect the interest of students to study. Mobile apps had become part of our life where the benefit of it also can be extended to the classroom. Thus, the use of mobile apps in education has several benefits by providing intuitive learning and attractive platform. The significance of this study to help students to understand better by incorporating an advanced plans and fashionable learning technologies, use learning environment that can help to combine psychological feature and social skills with information and improving the students' partaking in the learning surroundings in order to encourage their skill for the future. The methodology for this study can be explained in terms of the model used to develop the mobile application. Mobile application development life cycle (MADLC) is used to develop the mobile application. The MADLC model consists of identification, design, development, prototyping, testing, deployment, and maintenance phase. But in this project, the phase required are identification, design, development, and testing phase only. Come up with new ideas or to make improvement for the existing application is required in identification phase. Design phase is important to develop initial design of the application. User interface for the mobile application is designed in the development phase. The final phase in the development of the mobile application is testing phase. The testing phase is required to perform user acceptance tests and functionality tests. For the first-time user, students need to register their email to log in into the mobile application. Email and password is required to log in into the mobile application. The main page consists of 7 activities includes notes, exercise, and video for students in this topic. First subtopic in the rate of reaction is which are the meaning of rate of reaction and how to determine the rate of reaction. The calculator layout is provided for students to determine the rate of reaction based on the formula given. All the factors that affect the rate of reaction is divided into the grid layout to make the explanation clearer. The button in the layout is clickable that allows students to get more explanation about the graph. The image, text and audio elements are used in this part of explanation. The audio will play when user click the button. For the last page in the exercise consists of the result for overall answer in the exercise. Video activity page consists of two video explanations, rate of reaction and the application of the rate of reaction in daily activity. The subjective questions have two parts, Part A and Part B. For result and conclusion, the need of mobile learning. Survey had conducted before the project development to summarize the needs and importance of the mobile learning application. From the survey, it can be concluded that not half of the students found that the topic is interesting to learn depending only on their textbook. Indicates that there is a need for a new learning tool such as mobile apps to provide intuitive learning and attractive platforms. Functionality test is performed to test the functionality of each element in the robot mobile apps. Focus in the functionality test including the successful of the installation of the mobile application, register and login activity, the function of the text boxes and buttons and others. The result from the functionality test shows that the robot mobile application can work successfully without any problems. Usability test or user acceptance test is conducted for the students to collect the data about the acceptability of the robot mobile application in students. Based on the result, two main points was highlighted from the usability test. First, multimedia elements provided in the mobile apps conclude that using mobile apps with multimedia elements make learning chemistry more exciting that could help the students understand more on the topic. Second, emphasis on the acceptance of students toward robot mobile application in helping them in their studies. Comparison between the mobile learning application and the textbooks. Almost all the students with 87% agreed that mobile applications content provide a better understanding compared to textbooks. It is more attractive, enhance the interaction between student, teacher, and the content itself. For conclusion, the robot mobile apps is developed as there is a need for new learning tools with aim to focus on the important parts in the topic that will be questioned in examination. From the testing conducted, it had been shown that mobile apps functionality is important to make sure the apps work successfully without any problems. The use of multimedia elements in learning chemistry will produce an exciting and intuitive learning environment. Compared to textbook, mobile apps promote a better understanding as it will engage more with students. Last but not least, this is the list of references that have been used in this study. I think that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention.